Do you ever get bored making cards? Maybe you like to make an original card every single time, but that's getting a little bit tiresome or stressful, and maybe you're running out of ideas. What if I told you that layouts could be the answer for exciting cards every single time? Well, then you might say, but then they're all going to look the same. Wrong. You can unlock the secret of layouts with my Power of Layouts for Amazing Cards online class. You'll stamp out boredom while you're learning things like how a layout can be used for all kinds of creativity and inspiration every single time you sit down at your craft table. How to de-stress and relax over the card making process. Plus, you're going to learn lots of little tips like how to fix boo-boos without starting over again and wasting paper, and without using costly embellishments. Tips like how I stopped losing my metal dies, and how to make your cards recyclable. You're going to get the full supplies list and measurements for all the projects, plus follow along with my Just by Joe walk you through videos. Plus, you're going to love all the alternative ideas that I'm going to show you. Can't do the class right now? Not a problem. You can watch it anytime you want because you have lifetime access. Click the button now and get immediate access to the Power of Layouts for Amazing Cards online class.